The boys are back in town.
So we can hang out with the boys.
What happened? What up, 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 what up. Yo, Gapplebee's, I love it. So, a little vlog style introduction, I guess, today as well. Adam shot some cool clips yesterday with us loading the car onto the trailer. But we've got a squad here going today. We've also got Adam some press passes to get us some up close and personal videos of the event. So it should be a good time. I know everyone's excited to see the C2 run, but also I'm excited to see how the Porsche does with the new mods and everything. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit, and yeah, we'll keep you guys tuned as much as we can on the way over there.
Now let's talk about the race down the road where. You lost.
I'm not even gonna waste. I'm not even gonna waste my.
You lost. He got beat by an S65 Mercedes, and he's driving a Porsche. He got beat, and he's not acknowledging it. Who was in front at the end of the race?
The tractor trailer was who was in front again.
He got blocked out because he can't drive.
No, I saved your life because you had nowhere to go.
Oh, he saved my life. Do you think he cares that much about my life? Look at him. Does that look like... No, look.
Yeah, you think about it. You're an idiot.
He's upset. He's upset, but he's a loser. Loser! You lost!
Okay. So, wow. It's a bad car. I just would be terrified. I'm a little scared to drive now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had a C2, and I know this is different than that, but yeah, I'm scared too. I'm scared for you, actually. Thank you, appreciate it.
That should be alright, right, Dad? Should be good?
My favorite son's at home. I gotta know.
That is brutal. What do you think it's gonna do?
You know what? We'll find out.
You're gonna go balls out.
I have a feeling to be out of here.
I shut down about 3/4 track. You know, it felt really good. I just wanted to see how it was going to react. It didn't do anything stupid. So
This car is gonna ruin me. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm never gonna get in the car again if it gets fast. The Porsche's not.
So is this the fastest one you have?
I don't know.
Or is the Eleanor faster?
I think probably Eleanor might have it by a little bit. Yeah, not now, definitely later.
Yeah, with a new motor, yeah.
So,
well,
It's super cool. I mean, you have like the most unique car here.
it's simple. I mean, it's it's old school simple. It's just naturally aspirated, nothing crazy. It's just a big block. With NA, 2 carbs, and it's got a 2-speed transmission. 1, 2. That's it.
I just gotta hold on. Basically, hit the gas and hold on. It's either gonna go straight or it's not.
So you start in second then?
No, we're rolling out in first, and then we get about 20 mile an hour to shoot that.
Yeah, I'll probably
smash the gas as you go.
Yeah, badass one.
It's
Right, let me know when you want to go out. Ready? You want the inside or outside?
Let's do it.
You ready? Let me go say hi to him. I'll be right back. All right, I'm ready. I guess.
She's going to be going fast as hell, and she's not going to do anything stupid, okay?
Are you using your left foot to brake or right?
Either one, whatever one you're comfortable with. But make that decision now. Okay. Stick him in the car, see what happens.
Attaboy! Did the chute come off?
I thought I was leaving, bro! Because the hood went up and I was like, oh!
Hey, you break everything you drive. Everything you drive, you break. I went down there, didn't break shit. You come back, my hood's missing.
You trapped 130, he trapped 170, so...
Oh, dude, that's
Okay. Is that how you have to win?
Gotta make it lighter midway through the road.
Hey, we needed a couple mile an hour.
What the heck happened? See, I'm watching, so I'm back a little bit, and I hate to say it, but I'm holding back a little bit because I see this thing.
I'm holding back.
I was horrified. I was horrified. I didn't want it to blow.
You couldn't see.
Oh, your carabiner saved
usually
up.
you try to do the carabiner. Don't worry about it.
No, I didn't want to be anywhere. I didn't want it to go for a second.
I thought the front of the car was
I don't know what happened.
That's what I said.
Holy!
I said you probably shit yourself because you thought the car was coming up.
That was horrifying.
Hey, so I don't know what happened, but it pulled
It
out
looked
all
good
the
from where I
wires.
was at.
All the wiring's disconnected.
He breaks everything. Everything. He breaks everything.
What do you want?
I drove it down there, no
It went
problem.
like
He goes
100
down.
feet in the air, too. Dude, you know how high?
The car just went. Like it didn't do anything dumb. Hit the gas. The car was like, oh! Hey, those are the two
Your dad's like, guys, what did we roll at?
30.
Now you gotta remember, this car shines from zero.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Not just straight.
Trapped one.
I'll get you some views.
Yeah, they pulled right out of the fiberglass, right?
I just replaced these I took the steel ones out.
That's what.
Is it all in one piece?
Mostly.
Mostly, yeah.
all right.
Those fasteners, those aluminum ones I switched out for the steel. The steel ones I switched out for aluminum because they look better.
They look better, and what happened?
With my hood off.
All right, I'm going back to my Porsche. It doesn't do this kind of All right, everyone. I figured we'll do a quick outro here and show you the damage to the C2. Got some like stress cracks, stuff going on here, but that's the bad part, obviously. What happened was these clips just gave out during the middle of the run. And, well, not the middle of the run, the end of the run. We were doing about 170, and the hood just came right off. So you can see here, it's like it pushed back. It actually pushed back into the plexiglass, pushed the RPM, the tachometer down into the thing, which, hey, listen, it could have been worse. The hood could have came through the car, you know, and it could have caused me to react in a bad way. Luckily, that didn't happen, and you know, I'm okay. The car, and for the most part, is okay. It is repairable, right, Jake?
Yes, sir.
It can all be fixed, man. So yeah, so that's where we're at, guys. You know, I appreciate it. It was a fun event. And we beat Mike. I don't care what Mike says. We were ahead at the end of the finish line, even though we lost our hood. But no, Mike was a great sport about it, and yeah, so we basically had a great time. Unfortunately, we have some things to fix now in the C2, which will get fixed. And yeah, Porsche ran pretty good. We have some tuning things to go after there for sure. It's not running the mile an hour I was hoping, but we'll get that fixed. I know Ross will get that squared away. And yeah, we'll go from there. So thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you so much, and we appreciate the support. Please smash that like button. We caused damage today. We did all this stuff to create content, and we've got bills to pay now. So push this video through the roof, guys. Please smash that like button. It means so much. Thank you for tuning in. We appreciate it.